Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create website using Canva AI. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open Canva AI in the Canva application itself. If you have opened the browser, click on the search bar. Now type in canva.com/AI. Press enter. Now you can see over here Canva AI has been opened. In Canva AI, you can simply just describe your idea and Canva AI will create the design for you. So in order to create the website, first of all, click on this field. Now what you have to do is enter the prompt, create a website. Now you can provide the description and specification of the website. You can be as specific as possible. Now once you enter the prompt, what you have to do is click on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now all you have to do is wait for a while. Canva will code for you. You'll be able to see the code over here. Now you can see over here once the code has been completed, you'll be able to find the website preview over here. You can also use in a design. Simply click on the option use in a design. Now you'll be able to find the options like presentation, doc, whiteboard, etc. Click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter doc. Now you can see over here Canva editor will be opened. You can resize it if you want. Now after doing that, in order to publish this website, what you have to do is click on the share option. Now you'll be able to find various sharing options over here. Find the option for website and click on it. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for website URL over here. You can edit this URL if you want. Simply click on the edit icon. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to edit the URL. Likewise, you can also access the publish settings. Simply click on the option publish settings. Now you'll be able to find the settings related with browser tab preview and website description over here. You can enter the website description if you want. Now after doing that, click on the publish option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the link for your website. Simply click on the option copy. Now whenever anyone searches for this link, they will be redirected to your website. So like this, you'll be able to create the website. So that is how you create website in Canva AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.